how to turn on or off keyboard click sound on the iPhone 6. So first press on the home key to take you back to your home screen and tap on settings. In settings, tap on sounds and go down and tap on the keyboard click sound switch. So this switch here will enable or disable the sound. So let's say I'm turning it on now, and if I go to here, if I start typing on the keyboard, you can hear it make this click noise. Okay, let's go in here again and we'll turn it off. So if I launch the keyboard, you can see that this time it won't make any more sound. And that's it, press on the home key to finish. Thank you for watching this video.